Hey folks, we're at Anthony's Ocean View and we're going to do a before and after. This is their in-house lighting, and Music Emotion offers enhancement lighting packages at wedding facilities that have their own in-house lighting. We're going to take what they have and we're going to make it much better. So this is theirs, and now let's add ours. Boom. Let's take a look at the room. This is the Lily room. What we do with our enhancement package is we take our lighting, which is battery powered and wireless, no wires, no cables, run off of a computer, and we could color match. Makes a world of difference. Now let's get back over to the lighting computer. Let's turn it off and give you a point of comparison. Okay. And now off. Big difference. Another big advantage of having the enhancement package is the software. It gives us the opportunity to change colors, fade colors, and match colors. So again, before, after. Thanks for watching.